Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to resolve Calm app not playing sounds or meditation tracks. So now let's get started. If the Calm app is not playing sounds or meditation tracks, try these quick fixes. First of all, check volume and silent mode. Ensure that your device volume is turned up and simply disable the silent mode or do not disturb if enabled. Another thing you can do is restart the app. Simply close the app completely and reopen it again. Another thing is check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Another thing you can do is disconnect any Bluetooth headphones or speakers and try playing again. Last but not the least, if the issue persists, simply visit Calm's Help Center and report your issue. So this is how to fix Calm app not playing sounds or meditation tracks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.